Hi, my name's Mary. I'm a makeup artist at Follain, and I'm gonna show you guys how to color match. So when we're looking at foundations, there's a couple of things that we're gonna try to play with. And so generally speaking, when you're looking at a surface tone versus an undertone, your undertone is gonna be something that's cool, warm, or neutral. So if my skin tone is warm, something that has a little bit more yellow to it, your veins will actually appear a little green. But if you're cool, something that has a little more pink to it, your veins will turn a little purple. And so that can help guide you. So because we have a model in front of us, lovely Daisy, we're gonna actually just apply foundation directly to her face. And so I've picked 3, and we'll be working with a soft focus foundation from Vapor. And one of the reasons why I love this foundation is it literally is something that gives you that soft focus. It's like an Instagram filter for your face. So we've picked 3. One's gonna be neutral, one's cool, and one is warm. And so we're gonna swatch them and see how they work out. So this one is 117 from Vapor, and I would say that this one is warm. And so when you're swatching, you can use a brush, you can use your finger. You're gonna wanna have a little bit on your face, but you're also gonna wanna carry it down into your neck. And you could see this one, when it's applied onto her skin, you can see it kind of stands out a bit, right? And that's not gonna be the aim. You're gonna wanna have something that disappears once you apply it. And so even if you blend it a little bit on either end, it still sort of stands out and is just slightly yellow. All right, and so the next one we're gonna try is a cool shade. And so this is 110. And with a cool shade, we'll go ahead and do another swatch onto the face as well as onto the neck. And while this one sort of stood out and it looked a little yellow, this one is starting to stand out and look a little pink. So even when we blend it in, it still kind of stands out. And again, the aim isn't to have makeup that shows that you're wearing makeup. The aim is to have something that disappears into your skin. And so this final shade is 115, and I would say it's a neutral shade. So it's got a little bit of warm and a little bit of cool. And so when this one blends in, it does so perfectly. So now that we know what shade we're gonna be working with, now we're gonna go through and apply it everywhere. When applying a foundation, you can do so with your fingers, you can do so with a brush. Really, it's up to you, however you find to be the most intuitive. Just be sure that you're blending down into your neck. And now that foundation is everywhere, I just like to go back through and buff. All right, and then those are your steps to color matching.